Meaning of granddaughter.
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 Granddaughter. Granddaughter is a word used to refer to the female child of one's own child. In other words, it's the daughter of one's son or daughter. This relationship is part of the family structure commonly known as the extended family, where grandparents play a significant role in the upbringing and care of their grandchildren. Having a granddaughter can bring a lot of joy and fulfillment to grandparents, as they get to experience the joys of parenting again and watch their grandchild grow and develop into a unique individual.